Good afternoon, everybody. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Razan Syafiq Nur Prasetya. You can call me Razan or Ojan. And I am a Pilmapres representative from the Indonesian Institute of Art, Yogyakarta, for the diploma level. I also currently serve as president of the Animation Student Associations. Okay, today, when we observe urban communities, particularly in Java, we can see significant changes in the way people live. The development of technology and modern lifestyle has encouraged people to live in a more practical and efficient way. However, at the same time, this shift has contributed to the decline of social interaction and togetherness within residential communities. Traditions that once played an important role in the strengthening social relationships, such as sharing food during a wedding or communal events, are gradually fading. In Japanese culture, this tradition is known as berkat or selamatan, which is not merely about giving food, but also about expressing gratitude and fostering social connections. As the modern lifestyle continues to evolve, these practices are becoming simpler and more practical, resulting in reduced direct interactions. These conditions contribute to what we may refer as the decline of social cohesion within communities. This issue is closely related to the Sustainable Development Goals, particularly SDG number 11. Sustainable cities and communities, which emphasize the importance of creating not only physically developed environments, but also socially and culturally sustainable communities. In response to this issue, I developed an innovation called Scanit. Scanit is a food-based hampers concept integrated with a QR code, where once the code is scanned, users can access a visual experience in the form of animations, specifically designed according to the context of the events. However, the key aspect of Scanit is not merely the technology itself, but how this technology is utilized as a medium to rebuild social interactions. The content within the QR code is not limited to informative visuals, but is designed to deliver a more personal and emotions experience. For example, it may include animated message of gratitude, prayers, or maybe a short narrative about the meaning of the events. Or maybe message that indirectly invite the audience to reconnect with the value of togetherness. Through this approach, Scanit transforms from a simple food product into a communications medium that bridges relationships between the giver and the deserver. Furthermore, to ensure that the intent message is effectively delivered, Scanit is designed with visually appealing and interactive elements. This QR is integrated aesthetically into the packaging design, encouraging curiosity and prompting users to scan it. At the same time, the visual experience offers added value compared to conventional hampers, naturally increasing users' management. Okay, now in this way, scanning the QR code is no longer preserved as an obligation, but rather as an experience that users are interested to exploring more about this scan. Through these innovations, Scanit aims to revive the essence of sharing tradition, like the Java Bay people, not only in the form of food, but also through experience, through the meaning, through the interactions, and another. Therefore, in the midst of increasingly individualistic modern societies, the societies, Scan it over an alternative solutions that connects cultural value with technology. This connects this cultural value with the technology while strengthening social relationships within communities. So that's my product. Thank you for your attention.